In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use a free funnel builder called Systeme.io as your order page. For example, if you run a membership, you can collect payments through the order page, through Stripe, PayPal, right? You can also use this Systeme funnel builder for email list building. It's also an email list, email software. You can be sending emails out to people. You can also have your course up there on this app, so after someone paid for your membership or for your course, they can immediately access your videos. And a few other things. You can manage your leads there. You can manage the subscriptions. So I am giving you away the course of mine for free. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set up Systeme funnel builder so you can use it for yourself, for your landing pages, for membership management, for email list building and all these kind of sorts of things. I'm also giving you away my free funnel, the order page, and also a landing page, opt-in page for email list building. So I'm giving you all of these things for free. Down below this video you will find all the instructions. Find the links to register for Systeme app, import my funnel, use it, and then in this video right now I'm gonna be teaching you how to use it all and how to set it up all for your business. And I also want to invite you to join our free Skool group community where we all life coaches who are building paid communities, building memberships, we all hang out and we help each other, we support each other. It's a free community, and find the link down below, join to it as well right now. Now enjoy the video. Now in this lesson we are going to build the membership technical system with the sales page, right? Email marketing, course delivery, course members area and things like that. Let me really quickly show you what I mean by that and how it all looks like, right? So that's the sales page that we're gonna build. Okay, I'm gonna provide you with this kind of template. That's a page for my content client attraction membership, right? With an order page, right? If people click the link there, they're gonna get on the registration form, right? And they're gonna be able to put their details in here and of course then pay for the membership. We're gonna offer them an order bump, which is this coaching session that you're gonna give them, for example. So then you can even speak to them and treat this as a sales call for high ticket if you want to treat it that way. And of course, you're gonna help them a lot on that call. And if they're gonna be fit, you're gonna put them next into your, a high ticket program if you have some, right? And then we're gonna build this course members area with all of the videos, right? And the main course and some bonuses, and your members will be able to comment below under your videos and stuff like that. So in this lesson right now, I am gonna show you exactly how to start building this, and we're gonna go step by step. I have all of the templates for you. The first thing that we're gonna want to do is that you register for this platform that we're gonna be using. It's called Systeme.io. It's free to use to start with, right? And it's a free landing page builder. That's how it looks like here. And it will allow you also to charge recurring income to your clients and it's gonna deliver to them your course, and it hosts all of your sales page and it's all free, right? And I will provide you with a funnel, with a sales page template already that's created that you're gonna just write your own text in, right? So the first thing that I need you to do is to click this link here under this video, click the link to register for Systeme, right? Simply click the link right now and create your own account with your own email, and then you're gonna get in. The second thing then that I'm gonna get you to do after you're in, you can pause this video right now, do that right now. You're gonna then be able to import my funnel, right? I already created the funnel for you and I have a template for your sales page funnel and everything else. You simply need to copy this link or click it, copy the funnel link, and after you have registered to Systeme, you just simply paste it in the browser, right? So let me give you an example. Copy link and address, come to Systeme here, right? And then press here and paste it in here, and then just press enter and it's gonna automatically be imported to your Systeme. And under funnels then you're gonna be able to see that funnel, this kind of template in there, right? And you're gonna be able to click that template now and start editing the sales page, the order page and everything else, right? So you see, do these first two things right now. Follow along, pause the video, right? And do these first two things. Register for Systeme and import the funnel. Both of them I already explained you how to do, and do that right now. And then we're gonna overview some settings together. So there is a few things that we're gonna need to do, okay? And first of all, you're gonna go to your profile photo up there and click settings, right? You don't have a profile photo yet, you can add it for yourself. I want you to put some information down in here, right? So you can be legit to them, right? So put your address in here, it's good for email marketing. Secondly, then overview the other settings really quickly. You know, you can upgrade to the plan as well later on if you want. And then connect both payment gateways of Stripe and PayPal. Stripe, I think just click on the button and simply follow through it and log in with your Stripe account. You need to register for Stripe account if you don't have that yet, right? And then follow instructions and it's gonna connect it for you correctly here. And for PayPal, it's a little more complicated, but still you can follow its instructions that are given to you. I will record another video potentially if you guys will be struggling of how to connect PayPal. And I'm gonna show you in that next video how to do it. I'm not gonna do this right now, but if you find down below a video showing you how to do that, it will be done and I'm gonna show you, right? So then I need you to go to emails and you will want to add your own professional email in here. I would want to suggest you that you do have your own professional domain name email, for example, like myself, primoz@primozlazar.com, for example, and you will want to click here to add it first of all, put it in, and then verify it. It's gonna send an email to you, you're gonna just need to go click on it. You want to have a verified status here. And then the domain name for your emails, I would also want you to add the domain name here. And you know, you're gonna click here, put the domain name of yours in here, so you verify it, right? I'm gonna suggest you even right now for your own membership that we're gonna purchase a new domain name just for your membership, and we will insert that domain name in here, and then we're gonna verify it. How you're gonna verify this domain name is you're gonna click here DNS settings, and it's gonna give you these three numbers here, right? And these three numbers, you're gonna need to insert them into your domain name DNS settings, which is gonna be probably hard for you to do, but you can ask help support, customer support from where you purchase the domain name and send them these codes and tell them that they should add this to your domain name, and they will be able to do this, right, for you. Now, what I'm willing to do for you is I am willing that you pay me for one session and I or my assistant will do this for you. So there is the link down below and you can pay me or my assistant, and we will do this for you. Pay for one session and we're gonna help you with all of these technical setup things for you, right? So you will need to verify this domain name and then that will be done, right? I mean, in here in the footer section, you can create your own footer that's gonna be sent out with your emails. Maybe you could just follow this kind of template. Just do it yourself, okay? Do this similar template, put it in there, right? Your name and who you are and maybe your contact details, right? Cool, so do these kind of things on this page and then you move on. Go now to payment pages, and on this payment, don't overcomplicate this. I want you to just put your company name here into this document. This is not totally important if you're not making 100K months, right? Then you're gonna need to, or less, right? You're gonna need to go to your legal advisor and do this, but just put your company names into here so it's not gonna be blank, right? And then move on, right? Then we're gonna go to custom domains, I think, because we're gonna skip these two settings here. And in the custom domains, you will want to add your own domain name, right? So I will want you to purchase a new domain name for your membership using GoDaddy or Bluehost or anything similar. And I want you to name that new domain name that you are buying, for example, self-love membership or content client attraction, like I named it, right? You want to name this domain name by your membership, right? And after you have purchased it, again, you're gonna need to add the domain name here and insert the domain name, for example, contentclientattraction.com. And it's gonna show you then instructions. So it's gonna give you another 2 codes that we need to put into the DNS, the domain name settings that we already talked about before as well. And then it's gonna show here ready to use verified, right? As I said, if you're gonna have any troubles with all of this, you can purchase a technical assistance session from me or my assistant down below. There is a button info down below. You can pay me and I'm gonna do this for you. Okay, so that's gonna allow you now to connect your own domain name. And now we are ready to start building your funnel, right? And optimizing your funnel settings. Pause this, complete these tasks right now, but I am going now to start explaining you how to start building your funnel and your sales page. So you're gonna simply go to your funnels and find that template funnel that we have just imported, right? And you're gonna, first of all, right, for this funnel settings, click on the 3 dots next to this funnel settings and click settings, right? And in here, I will want you to select your domain name. So it's not the general one, but it's your new domain name that you have put. And I need you to select both Stripe and PayPal for this funnel. And your currency is chosen already in the settings of this account. So that's all good. And then save. Okay, and that's gonna optimize your funnel so you can have this right domain name here. And then we're gonna now go to the first task of yours, which is adjusting your sales page, right? And you're gonna click on your sales page here, and you're gonna be able, okay, adjust this, okay, just call it sales page, remove this, and then press save. But even if you leave it, nothing is gonna be hurt at the moment. So, and then click edit page, right? So you can actually start editing your membership page now, right? And here you're gonna model my page. If I call it here content client attraction membership, right? For who you will call it here, for example, your own method membership. For who is it for, right? If you want to call people out. Otherwise, you're gonna simply just delete this, right? For example, like this, and you will not have this here, right? But then I need you to write a headline, right? For example, implement this method so you can have this kind of outcome, right? For only $7 a month. And then adjust this text as well. For just $7 a month, you will learn what they're gonna achieve, right? So I want you to adjust these texts. And then you have this button here, which you can, and by the way, you will want to change colors for all of this, right? Select it and change colors to, for example, purple, right? If that's your color, right? And now here, I am giving you 2 things, right? I am giving you Canva templates, graphics for this horizontal, for example, graphic, which you want to have on your landing page. And I'm also giving you a graphic for this vertical, vertical, more like a vertical, which appears on mobile phone like this, right? So horizontal is that way, and the vertical is just this way, right? I am giving you here, you click on the link button down below this video, and you're gonna click on this, and you're gonna get this kind of designs from me, and then you're gonna play with them. They're not perfect, but you're gonna need to play with them a little bit, right? So now you're gonna need to go through this page and adjust it and put your own words here, right? Are you ready to achieve the outcome? Are you ready to start loving yourself or whatever, right? Or are you ready to start losing weight consistently or anything related to your niche? And then you're gonna simply start adjusting these texts, right? And this landing page follows a certain structure, okay? So I do have it in written text here as well, landing page template with the header, stop doing this, but instead have or do this, right? That's this section here. And then join our membership so you can learn this 3-step method. That's this section here where it shares your 3-step method. And then we have this new teasing the outcome, right? What if you could have this kind of outcome? I was able to achieve this same outcome myself, and I want to teach it to you as part of our $7 per month membership as well. And then we will have just simple text with a few images here, like 3 images, where you're gonna be going from the problem to the solution in a written text, right? You need to write now copy text in here where you're explaining how to go from the problem to the solution, either through your story or generally how it's done. And then that's explaining this kind of value here. And then we have this introducing the membership area where we explain them what is all that they are getting here. And we go now into the client testimonials, and you're gonna adjust those images or text or remove the images if you need to or so. But then you're gonna have frequently asked questions where you will answer all of the frequently asked questions. And then last section is a question for you. What if you could achieve this outcome for only $7 per month? And this is final call to action. Yes, I'm ready. And then the last header again here as well, right? So that's a visual PC version, but it looks like this on a mobile phone as well, right? So it's quite cool and simple, and I want you to use this model right now and adjust the texts, right? So that's gonna be this second task of yours right now, sales page optimization. And then we're gonna now go to the next task, right? So pause this right now if you need to and start doing this task, right? Now, the next thing that we're gonna need to do is, I would first actually want you to upload the course materials already to this platform before we start designing the order page, because if you don't have your own course yet on this platform, you cannot really finalize the order page because you cannot select that price plan and all of those kind of things. So I would want you to click here, products, and then click on courses, right? And you're gonna simply click add new course and put your own course title here, right? New course title, membership course, put your name here, right? For example, language, a little short description if needed, course domain name, choose that domain name that you have just put up, right? Your own domain name, and what kind of theme do you like, right? Which kind of color. Teacher's photo, you can put that, put logo, course cover if you want, put these kind of things, and don't worry about the sales page at the moment, and then press save. Okay, here it says you need to put the course name as well, put something there, and now we have this new course which you can click in now, right? And first you're gonna create new modules, right? So let's swap this. Create few modules. You're gonna add module number 1, which is gonna be introduction, right? Save. And then you're gonna add another module, which is gonna be main course, right? And then another module will be, for example, what to do next, right? So they can upgrade to VIP. So now you're gonna have 3 modules. Now for each module, you're gonna need to create lessons. Here is the catch. I need us to create the first lesson template first, because then we're gonna duplicate it into other lessons. So basically what we need to do now is click on the introduction and add lecture, and lesson 1, for example, you're gonna later put in your introduction, like welcome, start here, right, lesson. But let's just use this first template for actually whichever. I'll use this so I have less to delete, right? And we created this lesson now. You're gonna always need to activate this. Activate it already right now, so later when you duplicate it for other lessons as well, it's gonna be already activated. But click on lesson now 1, and you have this kind of design here, which I don't truly like. Right? I mean, you could put your video here or you could keep this same design, but what I did for you is that I can actually remove this complete section so it's empty. I will save these changes, and what you want to do is go back to your funnels, because we have also imported for you a course lesson template which is here. and you click on that, and you're gonna go edit this page, and now that's gonna be your course lesson template because it's a little more controllable design here. And now what I want you to do is you will hover over here so you can get these green things here and save this as a lesson design template, right? So we can transfer it into the course members area as our design with this kind of video and stuff like that. You're gonna create here. And this was now created into the blocks, my blocks here as a template, right? So we're gonna go back to our empty course lesson, and we already saved before empty, all empty, but we're gonna refresh this page because so the block in here was also refreshed and it's gonna appear, right? So we're gonna click my blocks, and now we have this section, and we're gonna drag it here. And I want you actually to adjust anything right now that you would need to or want to adjust for your course and lessons template, because this is going to be then duplicated to each and every lesson of this platform, right? And if you want to adjust the color of these bullet points, right, you're going to change it to, for example, orange, not orange, purple, right? And they're going to change it. And then even same thing here, right? Purple, right? And these buttons that we have here, right? Find where you can control the colors and change it all to your color and play with this so long that you are satisfied with this lesson template so it fits your brand design, right? Because my colors are gold brown, your colors could be anything, but then you're gonna save changes, right? And I'm not gonna do this, it's not even important because it's a fake course, so I'll do that. And then now I have this design here, I'll go back, right? And that's lesson 1. After I build the design for the lesson 1, I'll duplicate this design. For example, I mean, I could duplicate it right now or even later after I feed the info already in there, right? And I will then be duplicating this for new lessons, right? For example, for the main course, right? And even for what to do next, because now I'm gonna go back to my course outline and to my videos, and for introduction, right? I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna need to publish my video on YouTube as unlisted and link it here so people can watch it, right? And then I'm gonna put here the lesson transcript if you want, really. I mean, like, I do this so people can visually also see what I'm talking about in the video. And completion checklist and download any resources buttons right here. If you don't need these kind of things, you can simply remove the blocks, right? And just one more thing I need you to do here, okay, because it wasn't able to be transferred. So I need you to go find here on the left comments section and just drag it under this text here, so it's gonna appear for you, okay? And you're gonna press save changes then in your template already before you duplicate this. So the comment section is gonna be here, and that's all good and done now, right? Don't forget to do this. Okay, you will adjust this for each lesson, put the video, the text, and you're gonna save changes. And you're gonna keep doing this until you upload your full course, and your course is now uploaded as this new course title here. And now your course is gonna be uploaded, and we can now move to the next step of finalizing the order page. So after people paid, they will be delivered this course that you just created. And now we're gonna go back to finding our order page. So we're gonna go to our template, which we need to rename this before already. But here is the order page now. And here is a few things you need to do. First, you're gonna click edit page. So you can adjust the colors, the text, the graphic here. What is that people get? Change this box colors as well. And so on, right? And understand that this is a two-step order form. So in the first step, they will create an account, and in the second one, they will pay, right? So you need to adjust and design both steps here, right? In here, I'm gonna teach you a technique of how you can get scheduled calls with people for cheap price, right? This kind of sales call strategy sessions. So you're gonna need to adjust this text for the order bump as well. That's where people can click check mark and it adds it on top here and they will pay more, right? So you're gonna need to adjust this here as well and make sure it's all nice and clean. Here, just model me, just say $19 self-flow coaching session, one time self-flow coaching session offer, only $19. After adding this to your cart, you will receive an email to schedule a 45-minute self-flow session with me, right? With yourself. Put your name here if you want to use this as your order bump. So adjust this first, right? And then you're gonna go back, and now we will do these technical parts here of connecting it all now together, right? So first, for the membership, so don't worry about this kind of commissions and stuff here. In here now, first we need to do a few things, right? If someone purchases this product on this order page, right, we need to select a resource of what they're gonna get access to. And we're gonna click this button and select a resource, and it's gonna be that course that we created, right? And we want to select now that course, and it's called new course in my template example here. And you're gonna give people full access after they purchased, right? And leave this unchecked so they can get immediate access. Now you need to create a price plan for this membership, right? And we're gonna simply click here and you're gonna choose a price plan type, and you're gonna go subscription for this case. Actually, we need to create a new one, so you don't need to select things there because you need to create a new one first, right? You're gonna create a new one, put here self-love membership title, self-love membership statement, descriptor as well, self-love membership, and then price plan type, select it as subscription, no need for trial period, right? And then customer will pay, for example, $7 each month, right? Each 1 month, right? That's the point. So, and then you're gonna press save, right? So with that, we're gonna create this self-flow membership for $7 a month. Exit this right now, but I'm gonna just give you an example by selecting then you're gonna subscription, select, for example, my content client attraction membership for $7, for example, a month, and we're gonna press save. Right? So we gave people access to our new course, and we gave them access to the $7 price plan. I mean, it's going to charge them $7. But now we also want to and by the way, the welcome email after people purchase this is going to be sent out to them automatically. They're going to automatically receive this to their email, the course access and registration details to access the members area. So don't worry about that. The automatic email is already created. It's going to be sent out to people. Then we want to adjust the order bump, right? You remember that order bump for one-on-one coaching session? So this is how we're going to do this, right? We're going to create, first of all, an order bump price plan. Basically, we're going to, again, let's just do the price plan first, okay? Create a new plan again. And you're gonna call it a $19 session, for example, and copy it here as well. Price plan type, this is just one-time payment, and let's say $19, right? And you're gonna again save it, right? And then you're gonna go, select it. I already know that it's there for me because I already used it before. And one-on-one coaching session with Primoz, and that's gonna be put here. And then you're gonna save this, right? Save it for now. We need to do just one more thing because we need to add the resource. If someone ordered this, they need to get access to it, right? Here is a catch. We will want to send an email out to these people so they can schedule a sales call with you. And I already have a template for you, but we're going to do this in a way that everyone who purchases this is going to be tagged, right? It's going to be tagged with someone that purchased a $19 that coaching session, but you don't have this tag yet. You need to create it right now first, right? So I'm gonna X this out because I want you to do it with me, and don't forget to save if you're going. We need to go out now to contacts and tags, right? Open this, and we need to create a new tag for those who are going to purchase the $90 session, and you're going to create a new tag and just call it a $90 session, right? This name, and that's it. Just create a tag first, right? And now we go back here and we will refresh this page first so the tag will appear, and we're gonna click resources, right? We're gonna go by whoever was, if someone pays, we need to tag them. We choose the tag $90 copywriting session. In your case, it's gonna be a $90 session or a coaching session, the way that you named it before. And you're gonna save for now, but we need to do one more last thing, right? Because even if someone was tagged with this, what we wanna do is we want to send them an email now. So now after we saved this, we're gonna need to go to automations. I know this is a little technical and complicated, but you can pay for a session with me down below and I'm gonna help you do this. So you're gonna go to workflows now, and we need to create this kind of automation here, right? And basically how is this gonna work is if someone received this tag of $90 session, they need to receive this email, right? And on a free plan, we can still do this, right? So basically, I'll exit this right now because I want to create a new one to show you. So you're going to call it $90 session welcome, not just email. Save. And later you need to activate this, don't forget. Okay, because otherwise it's not going to work for those people. And we need to create the first trigger of what's gonna trigger this email, right? So we're gonna just select whoever received the tag $90 coaching session create, right? So whoever receives this tag will then press the plus button here, right? Get this action, click on the action, and you will click send an email. So because we don't have that email, we need to create a new one and call a subject here. And by the way, I'm giving you a template of this email down here. Click on the button below to access the coaching session template. Copy this as a subject line, paste it in here, save and edit email, right? And then you're gonna use this text, okay? And you're gonna simply paste it in here and make sure that this hey first name is gonna be, it's already here because I copied it from Systeme, so this should work for you, right? In here, you need to put your link to your scheduling page, right? Don't forget to put your link here, right? So I'm gonna adjust this for you just like that. So you can don't forget to put your link there and adjust this text, and then you're gonna simply save all of this. By the way, one more setting that you should not forget is to sender name here and sender email address, your professional email should be as well written out here. Don't forget to do that. So then you are good. These people who get this $90 tag, they're gonna be sent an email out. So we're gonna exit this, and you urgently need to activate this, okay? I will not do it right now, so it's gonna become green like this because I already have one running, right? So that's it, that's what you're gonna do. And then this is already gonna now all work for you. We're gonna just double check our order page to make sure that it's all nice and clean. So if someone purchases the membership, they're gonna get full access to the course and they will pay $7 per month. So that's really good. That's for that main purchase. If someone orders an order bump, right, is that they are gonna get tagged with the $90 session, and then if they were tagged, they're gonna get that email from which they can schedule a call with you, right? And price plan here, again, it didn't save, I don't know why. We're gonna go one-time payment and simply, again, one-on-one coaching session. For the price plan one time and then save. Because I never pressed save down below, it never worked. So double save. And now this worked, okay? And this is now all optimized, and this page should work for you now, right, is if you have connected your PayPal, your Stripe, it works. And I believe that you are done now, except go to thank you page here and edit this thank you page as well. Okay, edit this thank you page and change the colors, right, and change this text here, and you will be good to go and save, right? And look, on the thank you page, everything is this price and stuff. Example, this is automatically updated later when people pay for things, so don't worry about that. And now you also have a thank you page. With that said, you are almost all ready to go now, because you have this system built. One more thing that I was gonna say to you is I want you to actually test if this funnel now works on your own, right? So go to the sales page, okay? Go to that funnel page, right? And check if all the buttons are working, click on them, and create your own, put your own name, your own email address here, create your account, and then on the order page, select the bump, and I mean, don't worry about the bump because it's gonna work as well, I think so. Pay yourself, right? Pay yourself $7 and test the order bump. For example, pay yourself $19 as well, and test if your funnel works, right? And that will be all done for you, and congratulations, you're gonna now have your sales funnel system up and running and ready. If you have any questions about this tutorial, just simply ask me, let me know if you need help, and we're gonna talk about it. If you enjoyed this course and if you want to build your own membership, if you want to attract more members into it, you can join our free Skool group community where we all hang out and we help each other building memberships, right? Find the link down below, come into our community, and you can be supported on your journey of building a paid community, your own membership for yourself. See ya.